see what just happened? You will end up like them. You see your life? The way I'm looking at it, you're going to end up with a security guard. Because that's exactly where you belong. And I just wish others can just follow suit. They should all go marry the security guards and allow me be with my Prince Charming. What is it? My prince, the prince of our land.
Cassie, I have heard you. I am not even interested in the prince. I can't even wait for this contest to end so I can resume work here as a palace maid.
A palace what? Maid? Oh my days! Then you should have just gone apply for the post of the maid. What are you doing here competing with classy girls like me? Me, of course. You should have just gone to that post. I mean, that suits you perfectly. Huh?
Tessie, you seriously need to calm down.
Okay.
With the way you are going, you may end up being evicted from this game. You might not even make it to the end. You are too desperate.
You are the one that is going to get evicted. You! Who is that? Yes?
The king wants to see everyone now.
Oh, His Royal Majesty. My future father-in-law. Oh my days. Okay.
I called you here today to thank you for your efforts and wonderful contributions to have come this far with us. You ladies have been so wonderful.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
The king has been watching every of your moves. Like I told us before, those that are not doing well will be evicted before the end of the contest. And today, I want to announce to us that some of you here seated have performed far below expectations. And so today, you will be evicted from the contest. Hurry.
Your Highness.
Over to you.
Thank you, Your Highness. Well, ladies, here with me are the names of the two people that will leave this palace. Having found them not worthy of being in this contest because of their immoral acts in this palace. When I call your name, please stand. Okay, Okoro, stand. Can you stand?
Stand.
Udo Kawandu, can you stand?
So preposterous.
Can you stand?
But Your Majesty, I did not do anything bad.
Hey, hold on first. I'm not yet done. Close your mouth.
Igwe, please.
Close your mouth. Shut up.
I will tell you.
Both of you will leave this palace today.
No, Igwe, please.
Today.
Igwe, there's a mistake somewhere. I will die. If I leave this palace, I will die.
You have overstayed your welcome in this palace. The king has been watching every of your moves. Frolicking with Harry here will not make you marry the prince. And you, Oge,
Your Majesty.
sleeping with one of my bodyguards will neither take you anywhere.
You are so loose.
The king has been watching all your moves. Those guys are here for a reason. How could you expect to become queens of this land after sleeping with other men? How do you explain it? Where does it happen?
Your Majesty, it will not happen again. I swear. Never.
Hurry.
Your Highness.
Make sure they take everything that belongs to them and leave this palace
Hey, this way.
in the next 20 minutes.
Oh, yes.
I will not repeat myself. I have spoken.
King has spoken.
Your Majesty, she's so late.
Get out!
go. Get away! Go! Salute! Go! Hey, whoa, Cartoon Network.
So this was the stupid plans you told me you had. See your life. No, see your full life now. When I told you that you were too far away from me, come close. You see, Mama, the form sharp girl. See where you ended. Backpacking.
Abigail, please. I'm not ready for this today.
You don't get any time when you're ready for anything, my sister. Nobody ready, so you go today. Chai. Do oh? Sorry. You know what? Just pack your bag and leave the palace. Pack your load and go. But not to worry, you know I'm a very nice person. I am kind. When I become the queen of this palace, I can as well do you the favor of employing you as one of my maids. You know, you can hold my shoes, my bags, or even wipe my ass when I'm done from the Hey, yeah. Came with the same bag, live with the same bag, my dear. China, you won't wear coats.
Babe, how could you do such a thing? Eh? What made you feel like those guys would have been of any help? Look at. Hi.
I was stupid. For the first time in my life, I agree that I was stupid. I allowed that fool to brainwash me into thinking he was close to the prince and can influence his decision to choose me as his queen, and I gave myself away just like that.
Lies. They were all lies. I knew from the very first day I stepped my foot in here that they were liars. All scam. Eh? Just look at how you're living. Disgrace. If you had even lost, it would have been better. At least you would live with your pride and dignity intact. But see now. Eh? Child, sorry. It's a pity.
This is the biggest mistake of my life. I can't believe I, of all people, did this. I wish this is a dream. I wish this is a dream. I don't even know whether I should shout or cry, or I don't know what to do.
Sorry. Eh? It's a pity.
Hey!
Just look at.
This is too much for me.
Take it easy now. You cannot be shouting in my palace like this. Sorry. You cannot be shouting in Igwe's palace like this now. Eh? I've already seen the future. I know I'll be the queen. I'll win. So don't worry. Eh? When I win, I'll remember you. At least we have a bond together. So even if it's just maid or assistant cook, we already have chief chef.
That's enough! The fact I made a mistake is not a pass for you to insult me. I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. It's not your fault.
See who I am trying to help. Stay here. Don't go. Guards! Guards, your queen is calling you. Nonsense. I'm trying to find a way to make things better for you when I'm queen. You're shouting nonsense. Rubbish. After all your shouts. Guards, she does not want to go. Nonsense.
Your Highness, this is very bad. I must say.
How could they do such a thing in the palace?
To say the least, this is absurd. But it's totally unacceptable. How do you explain it? That after sleeping with other men, they still have the effrontery. They desire to become queen of this land. How? How do you explain it?
It is never done anywhere at all.
Not in this land.
Impossible, Igwe. Abomination, not in this kingdom. Sometimes I laugh at them. How would they know that I've already seen someone for me?
Don't tell him. My prince, if you have seen someone, why not tell us?
No. Certainly not here. Oh, yes. My prince. I'm happy to hear that.
My king, the girls are ready to go now. Do you have anything for them?
Let them go. Nothing for them. Tell one of the guards to take one of the cars to take them to the village square.
Okay.
They'll find their way from there.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you.
How will they bury them?
Anyway, the whole idea of selecting a wife for your son is a good one.
Very, very good idea.
Very good one. And on that note, it's a good one. And on that note, let me kiss myself.
We are not
kiss myself before you kiss myself. I'll be with you soon.
Every time kiss yourself. He drinks a lot of water.
Everybody is fine.
Okay,
I'm
fine.
Yes. Fine. Now listen what I gave to you. I hope it's working.
Yeah, that thing is working perfectly. Your daughter is winning, Papa. I'm so happy.
Yes, I knew it. I knew it. That Wunda Jana will never disappoint me.
You will not disappoint.
Yeah. I know you. What should be hopeful?
All should be more than hopeful, Papa. The prince doesn't want to see anybody with his eyes except me. As it stands, if they do the selection today, your daughter is already part of this land.
This is indeed a good news, my daughter.
Thank you.
Good news indeed.
Just go home. Tell.
I don't want to spend more time here. I have to trick the king.
Okay.
To see you. When I get home, I will break the good news. Your mother, your sister, they will hear this.
Papa, tell them to start getting ready. They should start practicing their catwalk.
We should start celebrating.
Let them buy material, red and white. Color of the day.
Okay, just go so that I can go back quickly. Okay. See you when you come out.
I'll see it. Let me go. Touch me. I am taking my queenly steps now. We move. Papa.
No, nothing will make me happy than to see my sister win.
Dada, don't worry. Your father is a great man. He's a great man. But I want to tell you, my daughter, that it makes me so happy each time I see you getting worried because of your sister.
She's my
sister. That's a good girl.
Yes, we are no more. 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 Yes, we are no more.
Papa, what is it? What happened?
Etina kanamon. Etina kanamon. Etina kanamon. Etina kanamon. Etina kanamon. Etina kanamon. Etina kanamon.
Odogudima.
Agowai.
Odogudima.
Agowai.
Di magi.
Eh?
Secretary Paul.
No, what I'm saying is that very, very soon. Our happiness is going to be complete very soon. No, it has not happened though. But you know, my kind of person, I see very far. And man on the fool for the clear. I have seen fire. I've seen that very soon. Okay.
Nani.
Yes.
Really?
Really. Like I said, it has not happened, but it will happen very, very soon.
Papa, does it mean that sister is going to win?
No. Listen. I have succeeded in finding my way to our daughter.
Odogudima.
Hey, I have going.
Odogudima.
I have discussed with her one-on-one, and she confirmed that the prince has been married for a long time.
Like daughter, like mother, like mother, like daughter. You know that?
The prince has been over her, all over her.
I don't know how to prince it.
No, confusion has taken over prince. Amazihone, Orogum Udemba, Nisima. Hey, you can get a sign. So that is it. Imagine. Guess what? Some girls are out of the palace as we are talking.
Papa, find chapel.
Wicked, none are zone where when they make up balia. So two are already out, and the thing is that the prince, whom they want to get to by all means, and they got confused now why and why.
Of course.
But these two now, we're trying everything they could, and not knowing Prince, they got confused over our daughter. Based on the file. So actually, two of them were caught red-handed by the king with the chief security. Whatever. With the chief security. A trap set is a trap set.
Sweet chingo. Na rapoto mwa na bedi Anthony na bedi getiman.
So what I'm saying is that finally we are going to be royal in-laws. Who are you to tempt? Not saying number more. My name is Gonam.
If we are one is a Bavaria,
I don't want to go to one.
You might be another.
So the thing, the summary is that very soon we will become royal in-laws.
I am already one.
My prince, please, what have I done? Please,
hold on,
why are you ignoring me?
Hold on. I said I do not want this. Can't you hear me?
I'm sorry.
What? Excuse me.
What did I do?
I've already made my choice. You wait for the time to pronounce the winner.
What?
Yes.
Who is your choice?
It's none of your business.
It's my business. I want you, my prince.
No.
It's what I want. It's what I want. My prince. My prince, please.
Stop.
My prince. You heard him. Oh, you heard him. You heard exactly what he said. He has made his choice. If I were you, he has made his choice. And that choice is me. My prince, I am bigger than you are. So now you see.
Please. My love is here. Please.
My prince, you can do this to me.
Hey.
My prince, I want you. Please, I want you. Mommy, my prince, Okay, fine. I don't want to get you angry, but
My love is here. My love is here.
Yes. I am going to waste your neck, kill you.
Stop.
My prince.
I want to give my love a good night kiss.
Aww, my prince. I am going to deal with you.
Let's go.
I will deal with you. Get away. My prince. Get away. I want you. I'm gonna deal with you.
You deal with you.
Nonsense. That girl is so stupid. So stupid. My prince! My prince! Prince!
Enjoy the meal?
Yes, you will. This is so nice.
Who must have prepared it?
Your Highness, here's your juice.
Oh, thank you. Who prepared this food?
It was Amara.
Wow. What? Who? This doesn't look like a food that she would prepare. Like the one I ate yesterday morning was nothing to write home about. Who did that one?
It was Tessie.
Oh, that one? It's okay, you can go.
Thank you.
Son, why don't you like this girl, Amara? She's a good girl. Ari is gradually getting along with her.
Igwe do not like her. Igwe, I do not like her. She's not my kind of woman. Yeah, I've made my choice already.
You really think so? So, what is the next thing to do now?
Abigail, I am warning you. Stay away from me in this palace, please. Yeah? Auntie Canada, I tell you, say I no bath this way. Which one they spit from my body? You want bath me? Eh? Look, let me tell you. Whether you like it or not, the prince has chosen me as his queen to be.
Sorry.
So if I were you, I would deal with it. Go into my room, pack my bags and go back to Canada.
This is enough. Please, the both of you should stop it. Stop it.
Oh please, shift get away. Your big cap, carry cap like umbrella. They go settle person. As for you,
Take your time.
Stay away from me until your days has expired in this house. Don't you ever talk to me. Me loser. Where's the loser? Don't open my No, come now. Where's the loser? Yes. Yes. You remove my cap. Yes. No.
What is wrong with both of you? No, what has come over you? How many times have I warned you? How many times?
My king, Abigail here is not a fool. She is my precious woman. But you see this Tessie here, is it Wisiaki? She's the trouble here.
My prince, how can you say that about me? She is your royal majesty, the king of a prestigious land. She cussed it. She started it. She slapped me and I had to slap her back.
My king, I did not started anything. She caused it. She pulled my wig from my head. My king, you can ask the maids. They were there. They were around.
You also pulled my wig. I just reciprocated, my prince, my king.
You see what I told you? That girl is very arrogant. And I want her to leave the palace now.
Very well then. Tessie, your days in the palace are over. You are hereby disqualified from this contest. You have 20 minutes. I repeat, 20 minutes to pack everything that belongs to you and leave the vicinity of the palace.
The prestigious king of our land. It wasn't my fault. I am really sorry. She started it. What?
Highness, has spoken. You may leave the palace now.
They said you should leave.
Shut up, leave!
Shut up!
Now you have 20 minutes. You have 20 minutes and your time starts counting now.
Igwe biko no. Igwe biko. Amu nibo. Na suwa bofuma.
When na Igbo?
Amu espoto unibo. Igwe biko no. Biko.
Now will you get out of my presence?
Okay.
Get out!
Okay. My king! Okay.
And you, Abigail, you have to comport yourself. If you must make it to the finals.
My king, I'm very sober. Very, very sober.
Abigail, you may leave us now. Abby.
Thank you, my king.
Sister, upon your assets. All this one hour exercise and all the rest.
The accent did not work. The accent did not help me.
Sister, why would the accent help in the first place? Eh? Sister, I told you to be yourself. But you decide to be fake.
Will you shut up your mouth? I mean, no, they're talking, you are talking. If I just blow you now. Eh? Abigail, you see what you did to me? I will hunt you down. I will trace your village and hunt you down for doing this to me.
Sister, how possible is that? When you say that the prince will shoot her.
I don't care. I do not care. I'll wait for Abigail. Before she becomes the queen of this land, I will trace her and I will hurt her badly. Abigail, you see this that you have done to me. I will hunt you down. This will not stand.
Disqualified. So, there's no compensation for us.
Sister has messed everything up. Eh?
After all this thing, no shawarma again.
Let me hear what? We have lost everything. You're talking about exercise.
My
daughter.
Papa.
What happened? Why did they bring you back?
Oh, Papa, they did not bring me back. Don't worry, your daughter has made it. Eh?
You have made it?
Papa, I have made it.
You have made it?
Papa, I have made it.
Hey!
I have won already, Papa.
You made it!
I made it!
Hey!
I am the queen already.
May the God be praised.
Chai, Papa. You said you made it. Are you not supposed to be there?
That is true. Why are you here? Why did you return?
Papa, don't bother yourself. Don't worry. When I say your daughter has made it, she has made it, Papa. The king said that the 3 ladies who made it to the grand finale will be invited to the village square on Saturday. And then the final pronouncements will be made. All those things are just for formality's sake, Papa, because as it stands, your daughter is the queen of this land.
You are the queen of this land.
I am the queen of this land.
Abby.
Queen. Daddy, you.
So you are telling me you are the chosen one?
Papa, I am the chosen one.
Hey! See, may the God be praised.
No, don't worry yourself.
Queen,
By the time I
queen.
start ruling.
Oh shit.
Oh, you're wise. Papa.
Papa.
All this is village.
I can't wait.
Which day is Saturday?
Go and get me water. Go and get me water.
Go and bring water for the queen. Get water for the queen.
Can water.
Thank you.
No.
Abby.
Papa.
What have I done wrong? Should I run away from my father's house?
You can fly away. You can fly away. I don't care. Are you not back?
Must come back.
Eh? You think you are going to win the heart of the prince? You went there and painted me blue, black. In fact, you painted me like a bad woman. Now, look at the way they just passive you like a wedding. Why you want to come into this house or where?
Mama, why are you wasting your time with this fool? Because the more you're talking, you're aggravating, she's aggravating me too. Carry this useless bag and get inside. Did you hear me?
Go inside and make yourself useful. You're back now. Your suffering continues. This is the beginning. You have not seen anything, no? Get inside. You have not seen anything, Amara. Shebi, get inside and continue with your hands. Go and continue with your hands, Joss. If not for what is that? Allow you to enter. You marry the prince like this. Idiot. I'm not dead. Now this year. Let me see her the way she. Let me see her go and be the prince. Papa, now this house. Let me see her leave. We will laugh at her.
Oh my God.
Today will go down as one of the greatest days in the annals of our history. I want to thank you all for gathering here today. We have all gathered here because of something. It is the custom and tradition of our people that the prince of this land must marry a wife from this community. But my son, the prince, and the princess have lived all their life abroad. So the prince does not know who to marry. That is why I have organized this contest, so that the prince can make his choice of wife from among them. Those of us standing here, some of you will still remember that the prince and the princess left the shores of this country when they were barely 7 and 5 years. That was when I had a problem with their mother. And from there, their uncle took them out of this country to Ghana, where they stayed until they have now become adults. As I speak to you, I know that it is going to be very difficult for any member of this community to say that he knows the prince or the princess. Am I right or wrong? So that is why we are here. We have gathered here for this important function. The maidens, they have all done well. But today, the prince is going to select the woman that he loves. The maiden that has tickled his fancy. The one that his heart desires. The one that is going to be the next queen of this kingdom. Permit me therefore to present to you the prince of this kingdom and the princess. Oh, here comes the prince.
Hurry.
Well, I know this is going to be a surprise to all of you. My prince,
My king.
over to you.
Thank you, my king. I greet you all, my people. I have seen your faces. I know that this will be shocking to many of you. Well, my father, the king, my beautiful sister, and I planned this to shock many of you and to veil the true nature of human. Dad, are you sure this will be possible?
I know it's going to work. Basically because none of the villagers knows the both of you. Now this is what we are going to do. I am going to take your luggage to the palace. And later, both of you will come to the palace as people that has come to work. Yes. We are going to make this work. Now one thing is very, very important. Under no circumstance should the both of you call me daddy. Oh yes. Now listen, I know why I am saying this. I'm saying this because even the walls have ears. Another very important thing that both of you will do is cut down your accent. Tone down your English so that they will know that you've actually come to work in the palace. Now, one very important thing that you will do again is to create dramatic scenarios that will look as though you are quarreling. Yes. So that the people will not suspect that you're siblings. Yes. Having said that, I want to reassure you that I have made every arrangement down, believing that it's going to work 100%. So let's see how it goes.
So then I'm getting being made.
I just hope this works. I hope this works.
It's going to work.
It's kind of it's strange to me.
It's going to
It'll
work.
work. I think it'll
Right?
work. I think it'll work. Thank you, Daddy.
So, once again, you're all welcome.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Yes, my people. This is how we got to where we are today. With the events of the past days, I, Prince Harry of Umuoba Kingdom, has successfully gotten the love of my life. Please step back. Back. The love of my life is this charming, elegant, young lady standing here, Amara.
Hey! What the hell? My love! No! Take her away from here! Your Majesty, I can't take this!
Sister, please don't do this to me!
My love!
Sister!
Your Majesty, you deceived me! You deceived my daughter!
I did not deceive you.
You deceived my daughter!
I did not. Your daughter fell in love with someone that I paid to act as my son. So how have I gone wrong?
I will never take this!
There is nothing you can do.
No!
Please, supply us the music. Play the drums.
My love, please don't die!
This is bad. Onye faru ya kwuo na ọ bụ arụ. Igwe deceived us.
Hey, baby. My baby. It's okay. Huh? It's okay. I am here for you 100%. Okay?
Who is this ghost sitting beside me?
What are you asking?
Are you mad?
I am not a boy.
When if I slap you, who are you calling baby?
You want to slap your love? Huh?
How did I get into this? How did I manage to get into this? Eh?
Babe, you love me and I love you too.
Let that love kill you. Let it kill you.
In fact, let your love kill me. I will take it. Eh? You know that song they sing, killing me softly with your love. Kill me with your love.
Okay, get out from this place. Mama, tell this man to leave here.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Shut up. Olodo. Get out. You don't work here. You're not a man. Get out from here. If you know where they brought you from, start going.
I'm not going anywhere.
Huh?
I am not going anywhere.
Bye-bye first.
What's that?
Yeah.
I know you love me.
Says who?
Says me. Mama, I said it.
See, if you know where you came from, start going. I will fight you. You and who will die? You're not a man.
We die here.
You want to You want to Okay, we'll die here. Wait for me, I'm coming.
What time? Definitely love.
Don't touch me.
No. Mommy, that love is blind. Cut my head with that.
Mama, baby, see.
Cut it with that machete.
Cut off your head.
Yes, if love is involved, cut it. I'm in love with your daughter, and nobody will stop it.
You're not in love.
Mama, you've not heard of that song.
Your eyes
You've
are
not heard
red.
of that song. Killing me softly with your love, child. Changing my world with your
Which word? In my word.
You people should stop this, baby. Come. Baby.
Mama, no, she's not in love with you. Go.
I'm in love with you.
Stop this, baby. Come.
Go now, go leave this
Stop
place.
this. I love your daughter.
Sister, come on, Arome. What's happening? What's Arome? What is it now?
Sister, do you know that Igwe has been deceiving you all this while?
How? The person you call the prince is not the prince. It was the person you call the chief guard. When you shin the joy of the real prince. Ah! Kind of talk is that? Stop that nonsense.
Sister, do you know that the one that you called Abigail was not chosen? It is the one called Amara. She's the chosen one.
It's a lie.
Sister, you can go to Omoka and see things for yourself. Abigail fainted and they carried her out. Oh God.
I am not going.
Leave my house.
I am not going anywhere. I am not leaving your house without your daughter. She's my lover, and I love her too.
So,
yes.
So, you will come to my house to tell me that you love my daughter, and my daughter must love you too.
Are you the one to tell me how to love?
You said, Baguma.
Yeah?
Yeah? Get out of here!
Love her, Bakagomi.
Go out of this place,
Papa, I am going to set that.
What?
A deity that cannot differentiate between the real prince and an imposter is not a prince. It's a West.
Abigail, don't fire at me. Abigail.
Abby! Ow!
Sister!
Abby!
My love.
She needs my love. What am I doing here?
You should turn into me.
Hey! Who are you people?
What is happening? What is something, Mama? What is something, Mama?
What am I
doing? No, be cool. Forgive us. We don't mean to hurt you. Eh? Please. I don't know when I was doing what I was doing because I don't want to forgive. Because sister, please remember you're my sister. I didn't know what I was doing. Please forgive us, please.
Madam Aiko, you didn't do well at all. You didn't do well. So because she's not your biological daughter, is that the reason you wanted to make life miserable for her? Do you know that this beautiful young lady resolved to stay in the palace regardless of whatever that comes instead of coming back to you? You didn't do well at all.
I am sorry. It is the devil's work. It's the devil's work. Oh,
Harry.
Oh.
Please take me out of here.
Hey, Mama, please pick her, please. I'm on our way, but we are family. You don't want to leave us. Take me out of here, please.
If I tell you my story,
Listen to them and forgive them. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. Please, okay? Please, forgive them. Forgive them. I know they didn't do well. Because she's not your biological daughter, do not give you the right to treat her anyhow. No one knows tomorrow. Anything can happen tomorrow. So when you're treating any human around you, be careful. Treat people right. Don't do anyhow to people. Because anything, God can change anyone. God can use anyone. Look at her life today. Married to a prince of the land. And you will not change it. Nothing will change it. So this serves as a lesson to you. Be careful. Be careful when you're dealing with people.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
This is unbelievable. How could this man go this far?
I knew it. I knew that the man is so mean.
Son, you see what I was telling you? If we had not hired the services of Kelvin here to play this game, they would have used it on you. That is the implication.
Your Highness, those people are very mean. They even have shrine in their house, a very big old.
Dad, that's so bad. I mean, that's how Abigail turned imbecile.
Well, that is no skin off my nose. I think they got what they wanted. I would rather say this is nemesis for them. But whatever it is, I'm going to send our money to our family members. Maybe it will suffice for our medical treatment. Meanwhile, Kelvin, I want to say thank you. You have done very well. I appreciate what you've done. First thing tomorrow morning, or as soon as I leave here, I'm going to settle you. Thank you for a job well done.
Thank you so much. May God bless you.
My prince, my prince.
My prince. Your Highness.
sọsọ ya ka na-achọ odozi ebe anyị obi igwe odozi aka ngwanụ gị ga-ekwerere ị ga-ekwerere ezigbo agwa bụ ihe eji ama nwanyị ngwanụ gị ga-ekwerere ngwanụ gị ga-ekwerere ezigbo agwa bụ ihe eji ama nwanyị ngwanụ gị ga-ekwerere ị ga-ekwerere ezigbo agwa bụ ihe eji ama nwanyị ezi nwanyị dị ụkọ sọsọ ya ka na-achọ odozi ebe anyị obi igwe odozi akụ ezi nwanyị dị ụkọ sọsọ ya ka na-achọ odozi ebe anyị obi igwe odozi akụ ngwanụ gị ga-ekwerere ngwanụ gị ga-ekwerere ezigbo agwa bụ ihe eji ama nwanyị ngwanụ gị ga-ekwerere ị ga-ekwerere